Hi everyone and welcome back to Gigi's Kitchen. Today we'll be making smoked salmon pâté. We are going to start off with 3 mini sweet peppers, finely chopped in a food processor. And this is about the size we're looking for. Next, we're adding about 4 ounces of smoked salmon. You can add a little bit more for a more prominent flavor. Here we are adding about 2.5 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley to the mix, and we're going to leave about half a tablespoon for the garnish. If you don't have parsley, it's okay to use chives instead. Next, we're adding 1 loosely chopped green onion, followed by 6 ounces of cream cheese. Here, I am using low-fat cream cheese, but any other type will do. Again, you can use a little bit more or less depending on the consistency that you prefer. For seasoning, I am adding about 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. And 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Of course, you can adjust the seasoning to your taste. Lastly, we will mix all the ingredients in the food processor. We are going to start on a low setting and adjust it as we go. As you can see, the spread is getting to a good consistency and developing a really nice color. The pâté is now ready to serve. For a tasty appetizer, you can serve it with a fresh baguette, some toasted pita bread, or crackers of your choice. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe for more. Enjoy!